Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I just want to show you something. Oh, look, it is ginormous box. Look at how big it is. This is from Carmen's Quilt Shop. She did an advent box this year for her quilting store. And look at all the fun things. Look at that. All these boxes, so exciting. Well, we're going to dive right in and we are going to open. So let's see, I have 15. Look at these boxes, all these little nifty boxes. All right, so I found the 5. So we'll do that. And we have, let's see. Here's a 4, a 2, I'm getting there, a 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, this is 6, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, what's this? That's 20. This is 7, and we'll go up to 8. How about that? We have 8 right here. This is so cool. I'm not sure if she has any of these, but you can absolutely go to Carmen's Quilting and check it out. Let's see, look at this. This is Merry Christmas. Wow, that's good. So it's called Carmen's Quilt Shop.com. I cannot give you that. It's a special code. But you can go and check it out. See if she has any of these. If not, give her a call. She might have them. She answers her phone and she'll talk to you. Let's see. Okay. So we have all of these boxes. Look at them all. Right? All right, here we are. Wow. Okay. I'm getting myself situated and set up. All right, so I'm going to use this that I just got. Carefully open day 1. Oh, these boxes are too cute. It says, "This is my Christmas." Okay. In here, day 1, whiskers and wine, black multi, SKU, it gives you the SKU number, how much it is, and where you can find it. So I'm going to put this right on there. Let's open this up. Ooh, okay. So we have, that's it, in case if you're interested. And we have some words. Love it. It's got muscat. It's got corks, cabernet, chenin blanc, zinfandel, pinot noir. So it's all related. Look at that. Little corkscrews. So cute. Okay, we have this. Let's see what we're building. Okay, we have day 1. Let's go to day 2. Let me see, here we are. I'm carefully cutting. Oh, wait. I think we're building a project. Day 2. Yep, it definitely looks like we're building a project here. Okay, and day 2, we have whiskers and wine again. And we have, we have wine and grapes. And this is from Northcott. Do you see that? Okay. And there's definitely a yard here. So there's this, okay. Now we are going to go to 3. And now Carmen sent this over to me as a gift to me for Christmas. She's such a sweet lady. So this is like a Christmas gift for me here. Thermal thimbles. Here are those. So I did a video making economy binding, and Fabric Cafe makes their own videos for their own economy binding, and they use these thimbles on their fingers to keep them from burning themselves. So these thimbles, if you are interested, I'm assuming that she put these tags for me in case if anyone was interested. Here we are. We have that. So cool. So I'm gonna say they're probably good for like applique and stuff. There's labels. I'm putting on a whole bunch of heat labels, those iron-on heat labels. So I bet you these would go in handy for that. All right, so we have that. Let's see. I get excited. Let's see. Okay. This box says, let it snow somewhere else. Okay. Ooh. What is this? Ooh, fabric. Well, I guess if you want fabric, this is the box for you. Posh Palms. It's a panel. Palm leaf panel from QT Fabrics. I'm going to open this up. Look at that. Ooh. I've never seen this. Let's see. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. It's like it's just full of color. I love the color. I love purple. I love color. That's beautiful. And I'm going to say this goes to that. I'm just giving you this so that you can see. There you are. And it is. Hey, palms. Look at that. That may be good for Easter. I like palms. It's good. I like that not everything is super Christmassy. Let's see. For those who are not into Christmas. So we'll put this here. Okay. So that was number 4. So here's 5. And it feels like a pattern. Let's see. Ooh, panel apron. Oh, love this. Love this. So that's it. So you have, here we go. I see it now. So we have a panel here, palms, and the next one was the panel. So here it is. So my guess is we can make this. That's what that's about. Okay. Yep, we've got that going. Now we have, that was 5. Here's 6. It says, "Oh, holy night." Just stabbed myself. Be careful. Didn't draw blood, thank goodness. I guess don't give me these early in the morning. Yep. And the roosters are crowing. Ooh, here we are. We have a canvas zip bag. I'm not a bakery. I don't sugarcoat anything. That's funny. So we have like a little zipper bag. So she has these items also in her shop. That's super cute. Love it. All right, so now we are on to 7. Now let's see. Oh, here we are. I cannot get myself together. I'm making sure I open this carefully. Here we are. Okay. Birds are chirping right now. Sounds like it's raining outside. We need all this rain, so I'm not going to complain. Here we are. Ooh, beautiful. Oh, look at this. This is a bundle. A bundle in this beautiful bag. And let's see, I'm gonna rescue this bag. Hold on, I just have to. Look at that. I rescued it. It's super cute. I'm gonna put these little things in here and put my fabric on a pile. Now we have 3 half-yard cuts. It's called Catan Mixer, Banyan Blue Gray, Groton Branches Batik. Ooh, these are beautiful. So these are 3, can you see that? 3 half-yard cuts. That's beautiful. We have another right here. And another one right here. How wonderful is that? Let's see. Okay, I'm going to put these and roll them in. So we have a 3 half-yard bundle. So that's a 1.5 yards. 1.5 yards, folks. And she sells those by the yard. I showed you that. All right, being that I almost stabbed myself before, I've got to figure out where the slit is. There it is. This one here says Merry Christmas. You know, I wanted to put Christmas music on the background, but I didn't know if YouTube allowed that, so I decided not to mess with it. Oh, here's something. This is Stitch Witchery. Oh, this is good. Fusible bonding web. That's great. Especially if I'm going to start playing with some applique, this may come in handy. Yes. Okay, so we have that here. Anybody's interested? Oh my goodness. Good to have. It really is. It's really great to have. This is great. I don't have any of this stuff. This stuff is very different. I do not have any repeats, so this is cool. So those are my first 8 days of Carmen's Advent box that she sent me. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Carmen. So sweet. Go check out her store. There were SKUs. I showed you everything. I guess she sells this stuff in her shop, but I thought I'm pretty sure she did an Advent box. And I'm not sure, she might have more. So check her out. Anyway, so exciting. So many things to do, right? Holidays are swamped. So honestly, probably we'll get to them maybe at the beginning of the year. We've got a lot of fun things we're going to all do together. Everyone, please have, and don't mind my mess around the house. I know that you can see that mess, but it is what it is. And I probably didn't notice it until I pointed it out. But anyway, everybody have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. And let me know what you think of Carmen's Quilt Shop Advent Box, day 1 through 8. See you for the opening of the other boxes soon. Take care. Bye.